Oh my gosh. I ate an entire man today. He was completely delicious. He's so big in my stomach. I feel him moving around and I'm a little scared that he may break out. Oh my god. This is the biggest. I usually, because I'm a giantese, I usually shrink you down. But this time I was really hungry and I decided just to go for it and just gobble him up. From the feet to the head, but somehow I was able to do it so quickly. He's like still alive. I'm a little scared, like I said. Why is he still alive in there? I thought I would be able to, like, smother him, but he is just like taking over my whole body. I just don't know what to do. I have a whole entire dude in my belly. Like, this is not pregnancy. I'm not pregnant. Don't confuse me for pregnancy. This is a whole entire man in my stomach. I can't even barely stand up. Oh, my back hurts. He's so in there. Ugh. Why did I do that? Why am I so stupid that I thought that I could just eat him whole for once? I thought it was going to be good, but this is a whole man, and I started with his toes, and I worked my way up, and now I think I'm in big, big trouble. I should not have done that. I have indigestion, and he's moving, and I can hear him talking. He is begging for an escape. Oh, I'm so scared because I ate a whole entire full-size dude. I think I'm going to have to go to the hospital. Be quiet in there. Shut up and just go already. I don't need you. I don't need this. Go away. This big, he's huge. I feel so inflated. My stomach hurts. It's making weird sounds. I'm not supposed to be feeling this way. It's a whole man inside my belly. I have his ass in there. His chest is in there. His rib cage is in there. It's so big. I might just pass out. The pain is so much. What am I going to do? I ate him. I took bite after bite after bite, and I just kept swallowing and swallowing. And I am a giantese. I'm huge. I'm big, but I do not know. I just did not know I couldn't handle a whole entire man in my stomach. As the big Amazon woman that I am, he was too big for me. Normally I shrink them down, and I make them into little bite-sized snacks, but this time I was feeling so hungry. I got out my fork and knife, and I said it takes too long to do that. I thought about putting them in the fucking frying pan, even roasting him as a rotisserie with a spit in one of those rotisserie ovens. But now, stupid me, I decided just to go ahead and try to eat him whole and raw, and he tasted horrible. Like the guts, the gore, everything. I didn't think I could stomach it, so I had to put him in whole. I had to put him in there, and this is how big he is. He is taking up my whole body. Oof. So painful. Like, he's gonna try to bust out. He's stretching my insides. Ow. Ow. Ow, this hurts so bad. And I think I shouldn't have done that. It hurts my back and my sides, and oh, he's a whole guy. He's a big guy too. I just thought the bigger the better, the big teddy bear type. I'm in so much pain. I just can't take it. He's huge. Please, just get out. Ow. Ow. Hurts so bad. Ow. I will never do that again. But you look really tasty. Maybe I could have you as dessert?